competition are making big moves in Buffalo. Oncolinx is working to develop a drug to cure cancer right here in Buffalo. And the magic behind the company's research can be traced to a lab on UB's South Campus. News 4's Marissa Perlman joins us now in the studio to explain. Marissa?
Well, Christy, meet Deval Shah. He's an assistant professor at UB's School of Pharmacy. He's also working behind the scenes to develop immunotherapies that won Oncolinx that competition. So we asked him, how does this technology work? And does he see this as an eventual cure?
It's not rocket science, it's harder than rocket science because we already reached on the Mars and stuff like that.
Assistant Professor Dr. Deval Shah refers to what's called the antibody drug conjugates being developed right here in his UB lab.
So this technology is very novel because it specifically kills cancer cell and not the other cells. And hence the toxicity, which is very synonymous with baldness and fatigue, will be much less in this kind of a drug.
There's only a few people in the world who can create this and test it, and Dr. Shah is one of them. Here they produce antibodies that Oncolinx will take to the market, and this kind of technology is very hot right now.
Antibody drug conjugates has been around for some time, but only last 5 years the technology has really picked up, so it's clinically viable.
What makes Oncolinx technology so valuable is its potential to treat up to 30 different types of cancer. Partnering with Roswell Park, the company has high hopes to start clinical trials in the next couple of years, something Shah says would happen only here in Buffalo.
In the health science sector, people are moving from all over the world just to Buffalo because we have so many hospitals, so many great scientists, and I think going future it can only be better in terms of drug development and novel drug development right here in Buffalo.
Now, the company's goal is not to necessarily cure cancer. As he said, it's harder than rocket science. But the brains behind Oncolinx want to extend life and make it a quality life for all cancer patients.
In my lifetime, what I can see is cancer is not equal to having a death sentence. Cancer is equal to just having a disease. We have medicines to cure, and you can still live happy and long life with the medicines available.
Now, Oncolinx is working with 14 different pharmaceutical companies to further commercialize its immunotherapies. The companies would pay Oncolinx to license that technology, and the company has said it would put that revenue back into research and development right here in Buffalo. In the studio tonight, Marissa Perlman, News 4 at 4.